Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a MARS Gaming MKCLOUD wireless keyboard and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your keyboard will not connect to your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or it won't pair properly, or if it's not responding or seems to be frozen, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step to fix that. The other reason is if you want to set it up on a new device, you can just have it forget all of its previous pairing settings and you can start anew with a hard reset, and it's very easy to do. I'll show you how to do it right now. So this keyboard actually has its own reset button, and it's not labeled on it, but it's actually this third button right here on top. You just need to press and hold this button for 5 seconds. And if you press and hold it for 5 seconds, that will initiate a full reset of the keyboard and it will be restored to its factory default settings. Thanks a lot for watching.